Hello everyone. So it's 28th of April and it's currently 12:30 p.m. and let's discuss according to the HFT algo scanner and according to the rules and our AI money flow what moves could have been captured and what happened to those shorts. Okay. So currently as you can see market is live and here some call riders came in. So they are trying to push the market down, but again, what we should wait is the sell signal according to the rules on the charts. Okay, so on the smart trend we are still in the buying mode, and also let's see our AI money flow. So AI money flow is also like showing strength. So here we have to be cautious, and if you want to short, you have to wait for the sell signal. Okay, on the smart trend. So that's the rules, and now let's also see according to the rules what moves one could have captured. So now let's go to the beginning of today. So coming down here you will see two HFTs, so they are both analyzing the current weekly expiry, that is 30th April, and they're like one is 24,300 ATM and this is 24,100 ATM. And now if you see here, that is 9:15 9:16. So morning ATM was 24,100. So 9:16 majorly call writing happened, then Nifty started coming down, but here some put riders came in. Okay, so put riders came in, again call riders came in, but they finally failed. And here markets, when markets started moving up, so here they short covered. So now this is a proper example where I say that, like, why do we keep the put buying and the call buying? While we don't follow, we just follow the put writing, which is the light red, and the put writing, which is the light green, and call writing, which is the light red, to take the positions. But we don't follow the deep red and the deep green, which is deep green is call buying and deep red is put buying. So we keep it for reference like this. Here, that is they short covered. Okay, so the call writers, they short covered. So here what we can do is, like, there are some pro members who like goes with the huge call writing, they see they short and they capture some moves. So for them specifically, like if you like go according to the rules, then there is no selling here, because on the smart trend we are in the buying zone, so we have to wait for the sell signal. But suppose you are like going for selling, okay, you saw call writing and you just don't follow the smart trend, you just went for sell. So you have to keep in mind that put writing has happened, and here specifically, like if you're shorting here 24, let's say 130. So here when short covering, they are short covering at 24 160, you have to short cover. Okay, so that you have to strictly follow. And now let's come to the thing, that is, yes, so we have seen like short covering here as well. So also call writing is happening here, again call writing happened and it tried to come down, and so on and so forth. So let's also look at our money flow, and let's see what moves could have been captured according to the rules. So if you look at our money flow here, so the money flow jumped to the 55. So from 12 to right 55, 9:37 a.m. So 9:37 we were already in the like here 24 200. Okay, so let's take 24 200 and it went to 24 280. Okay, so almost 80 points up move. So, and we were already in the buying zone, so this move could have been captured. Okay, and now coming next here, that is here if you see put writing is happening or short covering is happening, so it's better not to go with the sell signal. And here again, if you see here, the call writing happened and again someone tried to push it down, but the call writers today are failing. Okay, so that you have to note. And now again, so that is also a major sign, like if you are going long, so that is also a major sign that you should now close. Okay, because now call writers are active. So even if you would have sold here, looking at the call writers here or there, so again here if you are selling, so almost cost to cost you are getting also out, your stop loss is getting hit. Okay, and then again here you are able to capture this move. And now again let's see here, starting here in the buying zone, again if you see that short covering is happening. Okay, and if you with respect to the 24 300, so put writing were also happening. So after that, like this move, so I'm not saying right from the buying, so in the buying zone we got the signal here. So this is like 24 6 260. So from there now, like this move could have been captured till 330. So almost 90 points move. Okay, and again we see here coming to 3:30, some call writers are active and big call writers are active, and so we should close. Okay, so that's how, like, it tells you to close your positions as well. So that's how it helps you, and also, like, the thing is that so what I think is that mostly both side writing is happening. Put writers are also active, and also previous day call writers are also active. And since we have the expiry on Wednesday, so only 2 days are left to expire. So I think market won't be giving a one directional move, it happened in the morning. But I'm saying is that market would finally consolidate, because call writers are present, and as well as the put writers are also present. And so we I mean like we should what I am expecting is some consolidation. Okay, so that's it for my analysis. And yeah, so that's how you have to follow the rules, and stick to the dynamic stop loss. So why the dynamic stop loss? Because here when the buying signal is coming, so the stop loss is also coming. Now this green signal is basically trailing the stop. Okay, so that's why the stop is dynamic. And this blue line is like it works like a danger sign. So, or you can say that it acts like a orange light. It's like the orange light in the traffic signal. That is, if you're long and if it is crossing below, so you become cautious. Okay, and if it is above that blue line, so you are good to you are good to go. So that's the green signal. Okay, so and if it is below and you are in the buying mode, and it's also in the buying mode still, but if it is below that, you become cautious. Okay, so it's like that orange light in the traffic signal. So that's it for again this whole analysis. And again, let's look at our money flow. So this is what the money flow. So from 35 now the scores are slightly decreasing, but yes, you have to follow the money flow. And also, like, huge call writers are present here, right here. So you should draw a horizontal line and mark these positions where call writing is happening. And again, you can say that they are short covering. Yes, that might happen. So yes, so we should, like, if you still want to sell, you have to, like, wait for the sell signal. So otherwise don't it's better not to sell. Okay, so that's the rule says, and that's how you have to follow it. Okay, so yes, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.